Welcome to P-Card training for named, generic, and declining balance cards. The purchasing card is offered by the university as a payment tool for authorized and appropriate business-related expenses only. The issuance of this card is based solely on the university's line of credit and is not contingent on the individual's credit, nor does the card impact the individual's line of credit. Any expenses must be allowable by policy and other governing bodies, such as the Internal Revenue Service. There are three types of university cards offered. A purchasing card is either a single user-named card issued in an individual's name or a lower limit generic use card that can be shared among authorized users. The declining balance card is a short-term, non-renewing card designed for projects, functions, student group travel, or committees. This means that rather than having a monthly spend limit, a declining balance card has a budget for the life of the card, which can be anywhere from 1 month to 3 years depending on the need. Therefore, the declining balance card closes when the budget is met or the expiration date on the card is reached. The corporate card is issued to employees mainly for travel-related expenses, but commodity purchases can be made when appropriate. This card is unique in that transactions are uploaded into Concur, an online travel and expense management program. Ferris State University has a decentralized purchasing policy which delegates authority and allows for departmental discretion on expenses less than $5,000. However, departmental discretion does not negate the requirement for policy and procedure compliance. A single transaction on a P-card costs less than $20 to process, whereas a purchase order costs the university more than $80. The requisition and purchase order process also takes much longer than a credit card transaction, so the P-card is clearly the more efficient choice when making small dollar transactions. This also allows the purchasing department to concentrate their efforts in the areas where they can have greater impact and add value to the university. Here's an overview of the basic purchasing guidelines. Please contact the purchasing department directly for any further clarification. After you have determined if the proposed purchase is allowable by policy and any other requirements, the next decision is the proper method of payment. The university offers 3 different methods: P-card, direct pay, or requisition PO. Consider this to be a cheat sheet for determining the correct method. Requisitions are used for contracts, independent contractors, lease payments, or anything over $5,000. As shown earlier, anything from $5,000 to $9,999 needs to have 3 valid quotes and must be approved by the account manager and the purchasing department. The P-card is intended for all purchases less than $5,000 or any purchases that do not require a requisition but are still within your P-card transaction limit. Direct pays are for expenditures less than $400. A direct pay is primarily used for travel reimbursements or vendors that do not accept the P-card. For example, a direct pay could be used for a magazine subscription or conference registration.